In Saguache County, we are an inclusive community. For centuries, people have been drawn here from far and wide to indulge in the bounty of this valley.
Before it was even called Saguache, this land was home to many native tribes, and many people from all over the world have found themselves here. Today, we continue to welcome all walks of life into our beautiful county.
Here in Saguache, many people are homesteaders, living closely with the land they live on, caretaking their property. Many people are farmers and ranchers who also pour their love into the land they live on.
Many people here build their own homes, some out of economic necessity. Others build their homes because it's their art form, and others build it because it's their lifelong dream.
People come to Saguache County seeking refuge from the busyness of cities. We seek a community where we will know our neighbors and trust them. Generations of families have grown their lives here by being able to live on their land and build their vision and dream.
When we live on our land, especially while building, we're able to connect with the environment around us. We're able to save thousands of dollars in what would be spent on renting a home, if we were even able to find something available.
When we live in our land, we keep our money local. We hire locally and we spend locally. We use local materials. When we live in our land, we keep an eye on our belongings and we connect with our neighbors.
When we allow living in an RV on one's property while building, we prioritize the livelihood of those living here over developers and property value.
We support owners living responsibly on their land while building their homes.
We are Saguache County.
We are Saguache County.
We are Saguache County.
We are Saguache County. We are Saguache County.
We are Saguache County.
We are Saguache County.
We are Saguache County.
We are Saguache County.